Welcome to Finland. Welcome to Pietarsaari, where Nautor Swan is building boats from 1966. I am Giovanni Pomati. I'm Italian. I'm working between Italy and Finland, and I joined Nautor Swan as Group CEO in 2018. We are here in the boat building technology center. This is what we call shortly BTC. That's the new plant of Nautor Swan that some years ago decided to unify under this roof and near to the sea all different departments that make the production of our boats. My colleagues will lead you around the factory. There you will also see on top of technologies the boat that we are building in different stage of production. We have been never as full of boats as we are at the moment. We have around 20 boats in production.
My name is Marko Rintaniemi, and now I'm presenting the milling machine. That is a 5-axis robot that we use for all types of milling and mold making here at Nautor. We're able to make over 30-meter long molds. The width is 6 meters and the height is 3 meters. So we have a very versatile tool that we can use for all type of mold manufacturing. The robot is also used for many other things than mold manufacturing. We make plants as inserts to our molds. We also use it to mill out core for structures. So it's a very versatile piece of equipment that we use for many things here at Nautor.
Hello and welcome to Hall D. My name is Bill Natalie and I'm the manager for the structural parts of Nautor Swan. Here in this building we primarily build the structural elements, the main bulkheads, the longitudinal girders for the maxi range, as well as some lightweight options for the smaller yachts in the range. The materials here need to be handled very carefully as the resin is injected in the factory, delivered here by freezer truck in order to get the optimal carbon to resin ratio. It is then put into our freezers on site and only comes out into production when it's needed. In this facility we have developed a system called S-Sync, where I can't say too much about it, but it revolves around the various materials being cut in their pre-cured state by machine, which allowed us to build a very high quality, accurate part which would not be out of place in a high-end racing yacht. This is something we're very proud of. Ovens we have here, we have 5 ovens in this facility, 2 of which have 60 square meter vacuum tables, and this is where the big maxi bulkheads and longitudinals are made. And then we have a vertical cure oven. This is necessary for the mast bulkheads, where we have very many extras on each side and of laminate, and if we didn't have it hanging, there's a danger it could be out of balance. Then there's the small parts oven, which runs every night, curing the multitude of parts necessary to go into a Swan yacht.
I'm Joachim Asp. I'm the painting supervisor. Now we are standing in the showroom where we have windows so we can easily follow when a boat is being spray painted. Some of the key factors to perform a good spray job is to be able to control or to have a good airflow, to control the temperature, humidity, and also to have strong lights. Here behind me we have the brand new spray booth, a high technology spray booth which is driven by natural gas. Post-curing can also be controlled, and we can raise the temperatures up to 80 degrees. During the spraying mode, we have approximately 440,000 cubic meters of air every hour. We are able to digitally adjust and control the temperature, humidity, and we have over 400 LED lights, so we have a really bright area to perform the paint jobs in.
My name is Nautor and I work here as a joinery manager. A few years ago we moved from the old facility in Kronoby to this new facility here in Jakobstad. We have completely renewed these facilities with a new spraying booth, with a drying oven. Also we have CNC milling machine and also sanding machines. Also we have installed a humidity system to ensure that we have the same humidity in the facility during the whole year. This is really important, at least in the winter time, when we have a really dry air here in Finland. To ensure that we get the high quality veneer for all the projects, we always visit our veneer suppliers and select the veneer for each project. When the veneer is here, we do another selection, so we can ensure that we have the right color and grain for each boat. We also have much better control of the quality when we work like this. Sometimes we also build bigger mock-ups for the clients. For the smaller boats, we often do smaller samples to show the client, so the client can see how it really will look when the boat is ready.
My name is Sundqvist. I'm the assembly manager of production, and we are now standing in the new assembly hall. It's 4,000 square meters and about 130 meters long. We have now 14 boat slots. It's the 48 line, 54, 65, 78 and 98. We start from an empty hull and install all the mechanical, plumbing and electrical. We also install all the furniture that is made in the joinery. Also deck and keel, the final product ready to be tested.
I hope now I think that the virtual tour is over. I hope that you enjoyed this visit, and I hope very, very soon to get back to normality and to have you guys physically here staying with us and experience then a real tour of our factory.